nigga on blow. Niggas looking at me now, thought I was on go. Niggas looking at me. Y'all, look, let me tell y'all something. I go to work every day, right? I make sure I get up for work. I make sure I get my job done. I make sure I get everything going smooth and right. I don't ask somebody for no money. I don't ask nobody for no help. And I'm not a Capitan. I don't ask nobody for no money. I don't ask nobody for no help. And I'm not in competition with nobody. I've been in my own lane, making my own money, stacking my own cheese. I've been stacking for 2 weeks. I'm going to keep stacking, keep continuing to stack. Right. Everybody that got something to say, you got an opinion on it. You got an opinion on it, let your opinion go. I don't give a fuck. I've been working, I'm getting in my own run, not hating on nobody, not talking about nobody. Doing none of that weird ass shit. I just been getting my money right. Holiday season coming in, I'm working every day. I make sure I get it worked every single day. We got a lot more stuff coming in. I don't want to say on my job right now because people be weird, not y'all, but y'all. You get it? All right, and I ain't got time for nobody calling up there doing weird shit, saying weird shit, playing. I don't even want to play with my money like that. I left the streets alone too long ago. That shit been down with. That shit was never cool. I realized that shit wasn't cool, right? Yeah. At first, it was all right, right? Oh yeah, I'm around the bros. We chilling. We got this. We got this. We that. No, that is not cool, bro. Yeah, I'm around these niggas chilling, wasting my life thinking I'm tough. Not tough. Anybody can do the exact same thing you doing. Somebody can go get a gun. Somebody can chill with a nigga. Somebody can have ops. Somebody can shoot at niggas. Somebody can chase niggas down. But you know what a lot of niggas can't do? Make some fucking money, man. And that's what I realized. Anybody can do this, but nobody can do what I'm doing right now, making money. They can't put their pride to the side. And I ain't saying forget about that you got ops. No, nigga. Get the fuck on. And I ain't saying right now. But at the end of the day, if you can be on that block, you can sling, you can fuck those hoes, go buy your weed, smoke your weed, chill outside, argue with niggas all day, get on live, troll, be in niggas' posts, be in bitches' comments, type in, trying to get all these designer clothes, right? Scamming. Not even gonna say that. You doing all the rest of that shit instead of scamming, right? You can be out here trying to find you a hustle, bro. I'm not saying you gotta work a 9 to 5, but I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all how I got it off my 9 to 5. Your 9 to 5 can put in any business, dream, or idea you got. I got an idea, right? I wanted to be a millionaire by the time I turned 23 years old. It didn't happen. I'm not chirping. I'm not mad. What I'm doing is focus. I didn't say, but what I kept saying is I want to be a millionaire. I never said how. You like, oh, I can't say how because I don't know how. I never did any research. I just kept saying I was gonna be rich. How are you gonna be rich? What you gonna invest in? What ideas do you got now? What are you thinking about? Right? I started getting on my grind, start getting on my focus. A lot of people won't tell you how to be rich or what a 9 to 5. They say, oh, don't work a 9 to 5. But then ask you for your 9 to 5 money. You won't go work, but ask me for the paper. That can't happen, man, right? So I work in 9 to 5. Like how y'all call any young lane, right? I don't have no designer clothes. When you see this, these are my black pants I wear to work, my shirt I wear to work, white socks, broke flip flops, right? You would think I'm broke, right? You would call me broke. Even though I'm in the house, they'll call me broke, right? They'll call me a lame. They'll say don't listen to him. He just wants us to be broke like him. But what they won't tell you to do is go chase your bag. And they won't tell you how to get the bag. They'll lie to you. Give me money and I'm going to make money for you. That's not how money works. If I can give you money, you can make money. Why you don't just use your own money? That's not how making money work, right? So you gotta understand, it's ways to make money out here, but you're not trying. You probably talk to this person every day that's making thousands and thousands of dollars, but you never just ask them how you doing it. Nah, it might be some people out there that don't want to tell a secret, don't want to tell a sauce. But if this your friend, this your homeboy, you're around every day, you see him coming around with thousands. He jerked out. He got this. He got this. He got this. But he's not in the streets. What would you do? Would you follow him, or would you keep going the street life? Now, I ain't saying the streets is horrible. I'm just saying get your fucking money up. Get up out of there. You might like the streets, right? But do the streets like you? Do the streets love you? I don't think so. I don't think the streets really know you. I don't think the streets care. Streets ain't got no love for nobody, man. And I see every day somebody dying. They post them, right? And somebody can die over these two things right here that I got in my pocket. And just off me hitting a better number than you, they want to kill, right? But what they won't tell you to do is go to the casino, right? Oh, they cheating at the casino with the dice. Okay, they're cheating at the casino with the dice. So you'll rather get killed. You'll rather be arguing with somebody over a point that you had, right? Yeah, the casino do tricky shit too. Yeah, I ain't saying that. But I'm saying when you put yourself in a situation, you can't get mad with the outcome. If you put yourself in a situation where you're gonna pass away, you put yourself in there. You got $1,000 flexing all these thousands, 15,000. You making niggas jealous, even if you don't think so, even if you don't like it, even if you tell yourself every day, I'm just a regular guy like them. You're not a regular guy like them. And the reason why you're not a regular guy like them is because you making money and they not. Now I can teach you how to get your bag up, but is you gonna listen? Is you gonna believe this guy? Is you gonna look at him and say, "Do he look like he got some money? Do he look like he know what he doing?" Nah, I could teach you how to make $1,000. I could teach you how to make $30,000 a month, right? But I can teach you, but is you gonna learn? That's what I'm saying. So first step I do, I'm gonna tell you this right now. I've been looking at your cars, stacking my money. If you stack $2,500, you can get 2 cars and put insurance on them, right? And now you can rent them out. Now you're gonna be like, oh, what you mean? You're not telling me that. You're just telling me to get cars and rent them out, right? So it's an AI website called ChatGPT. I don't want to get too much info, but use ChatGPT to promote yourself. What you mean use ChatGPT to promote myself? You use it for everything else. Use it to promote yourself. Put your mindset to that. I'm not gonna tell you everything, but I'm gonna tell you something. Right? This is the first part. So you can buy cars. You can talk anybody down. Even if you see the car for $2,700, $1,000, you can talk anyone down. Anyone is talking downable. How would you say that word? I just made some shit up. Talking downable. Yeah, they talking downable, right? So you could do it. And a lot of people might be like, no, they not. He want this much for the car. Yeah, he want that much, but what you want to give him? What can you negotiate? Negotiate not with ChatGPT, negotiate with your brain set, right? So you know how it is. You know how people think. Even if you got a lot to get the car, it don't matter. It's not like you do anything wrong. Yeah, I lied to you. Yeah, I'm getting this car for my daughter. I'm getting this car for my cousin. She's starting a business. She's starting it. They're going to sell a car to you before they sell it to anyone else. And that's what I'm going to tell you right now. They're going to sell it to you before they sell it to anyone else, right? Now you can think I'm lying. You think I'm not telling the truth. I'm telling you the exact truth. I done sold so much stuff. I done made so much stuff, and I've been bought a car. I done made money. Bought a car. I spent 175. My man's had a tow truck. Now, if you don't got a tow truck, this is the part where you have to spend a little bit more money. Now you have to get the car towed out. But if you go buy a car that's drivable, got a little overheat, and this is you know how to fix it. You take it around the corner to your nearest AutoZone. You fix it there. That's cool. Now you just beat the problem. Okay, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what to do. Find you a hood mechanic. Reason why I say find you a hood mechanic because they're gonna charge you cheaper than a regular mechanic. Yeah, regular mechanic got everything at the shop. This. But what they want to do is charge you to fix everything. Oh, you need this fix. They're gonna go out. They're gonna tell you everything because they clearly know you do not know. Because you asking them, just tell me what need to be fixed, and they're gonna tell you 1,000 things. But if you go to that hood mechanic and say, man, make this bitch start and run, he gonna make that bitch start and run, right? Because you're trying to get your income, your equity, your echo equity going up, right? So you want to get your money going up. You're not trying to get basically. You're not trying to get a lot of money at a time. You're trying to get the lowest amount you can get, right? Because you're going to spend $2,700 to get 2 cars, so you want to rent your cars out for $75 a day. You rent them out for $50 a day, right? You start them renting out $50 a day, right? You rent one out for $50 a day, one out for $100 a day. You post both of the cars, right? Somebody going to buy the $50 car a day first, right? They're going to say, what's wrong with it? It was nothing, right? $100 car a day, you're going to tell somebody, okay, I can drop it down to 75. Now I already told you 75, but you put on there for 100 so they can drop you down. So now you got this person buying a car for every day. If they buy the car for every single day off the 50, you make it $1,500 a month. 75, you do the calculations, somewhere between 2,000, I guess. I say, well, it's half. You make it like $1,900 a month or $2,000 a month, right? So you making that. Now you in the bag. Now you're making a lot of money. 1,500 off one, 2,000 off the other one. That's what $3,500 a month. You making more than everyone that's working at a job right now. Off saving up 10 checks. Now you probably like 10 checks, that's hard to do. It's only 4 weeks each month. Listen, you get paid every 2 weeks. I don't know what you get paid. You need to save with $2,700. If you get paid $400 a week, that's 4, 8, 12. You know, 4, 8, 12, 16, right? That's $1,600. You take $1,600 and you start looking for that other car. But while you looking, you still stacking. So you stacking and looking. So once you find it, get it right then and there. If you find it right then and there for that price you looking for, boom, other car. If you find it, get it right then and there for that price you're looking for. Don't wait, because if you wait, somebody else will offer a higher price than you, and now the car is gone. Always remember, when you're looking for these cars, when you're texting these people, have a way to go get the car that's going to make your time easier and better, right? I can teach you about stocks. I can teach you about all this. We're talking about cars, money right now, money you want to make right now. Now, if you want to make money right now and you don't have no job, you don't know how to work a job, right? Let me see something real quick. You don't know how to work a job, you never worked a job a day in your life, I can teach you how to make money right now if that's what you want to do. Now, I know most people got a lawnmower or you know somebody with a lawnmower. So if you know somebody with a lawnmower, tell them, can I give you $10 a day, man, to use the lawnmower? I just want to go cut to make a couple pearls. You might be a young kid that can't get a job, right? 16, 15. This, what I'm teaching y'all is for every single age. Don't matter if you was a kid, don't matter nothing, right? So if you were a kid, you get the car put in your parents' name. If you can't trust your parents, you get in somebody's name that you can trust. If you can't trust none of them, you just get the title. Don't put it in nobody's name. Keep the title blank. And when the police ever pull you over, tell them, I just bought the car and I'm going to go put the car in my name today. You have the title. So now you the only person that got the title, right? But what I want you to do with me, but what I want you to do is, once you get the title, make sure you're not dealing with a sneaky motherfucker, because they'll go and go file lost title and go get a new title, and now your title do not count anymore. So play this game the right way. But once you got a blank title, you can take the car, sell it to somebody else, they sign their name, it's their car now, right? You can sell these cars, you can rent these cars. Always try to make a flip and a profit. That's today's word, profit. We're not trying to make money, we're trying to make a profit. We don't care about making $3,500 because we spent 28 or 26 to get the car. We're trying to make a profit. So in the long run, you're making a profit. You might lose your first month, you might just be getting your money back. But your second month, you make a profit. Your third month, you make a profit. Your fourth month, you buying more cars, right? And once you get about 6, 7,000, you're gonna realize like this little nigga just taught me how to make some fucking money off my drug money, street money, gambling money, hustling money, everything. 9 to 5 money, grass cutting money, lawn care, landscaping money, anything. I'm teaching people how to make a fucking bag easy. Listen to me, get your bag up. Come on, man. Everybody hit that subscribe button, that like button. I just wanted to come over here and talk to y'all for a few minutes, tell y'all how to make that bag. My phone keep falling and I just irritating, but teach you how to make a bag. You can say like, this little nigga don't know what he's talking about. Look at him. Look at me, bro. And give me 5 months. I'm gonna show everybody. Give me next year. I'm not stepping next year without 10 bands on me. Every single day, every single month, we're gonna be making 10 bands next year. You ain't gotta believe me, you ain't gotta listen to it. But trust me, I believe it, I know it, I gotta calculate it. And that's not my only hustle. I'm learning how to do stocks, trading, getting better at that. And you know, I'm just getting better. I'm gonna find out how to do crypto. I will find out. I will find out how to do real estate. I will find out. I will find out how to fix the cars myself. I will find out. I will find somebody that got the same dream and feel like he can make this shit just like I feel like I can make this shit. Now, if you're watching this video, let's make our bag. Yeah. But with this end of the video, like, comment, subscribe. Everybody out there at that subscribe button, y'all. Any of my cousins out there, y'all. Like this little nigga just talking, you don't know me. Trust me, you don't. You knew me when I was a kid, you don't know me. You knew me when I was in school, you don't know me. You knew me 5 years ago, you don't know me. If you haven't knew me in the last 3 years, you do not know me, bro. If you haven't talked to me, seen me, been around me, you do not know me. And if you just seen me for a couple seconds, you do not know me. You don't know what I'm into. You can believe whatever you want. I'm trying to make thousands, man, and I'm going up. I don't want no tattoos, none of that. I'm straight. Man, we going up, man. This is my scar. Scar mark, man. But we going up. And I ain't afraid to say it, man. I'll never be one of those kids that's not gonna go up. Let's get it, let's go. Let's make $1 million, man. Let's make some pros. Let's get it, let's go, man. All my cousins, y'all know what we doing. We buying Lambos 2028. Lamborghini up in the car. Nigga looking mad cause his bitch wanna see me. Take that perk like Kodak. 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 Ooh, take that perk like. Oh. Let's get that money like Kodak too.